Hey YouTube, today I'm unboxing the Joby Gorillapod 1K tripod. I bought this from Best Buy. This is the 1K kit. I've never had one of these before. I got a tripod I'm using right now, but it's one of the stiff leg ones, and I wanted to get something, flexible like this. Looks pretty cool. I just checked the price. I got it from Best Buy, and it cost me $49.99. It's from Best Buy, so it's expensive. I don't know if I didn't shop around for it. I just was in Best Buy and I decided to get it. So got it from Best Buy, and yeah, let me open it up. Okay, first thing in the box is some instructions. Alright, what else we got here? Got this little plastic block. I'm guessing it's just to keep everything from moving around while it's in the box. Pull it out here. Okay. What else is in here? And the cell phone mount. Okay. Don't know how to open it. What's this? Damn, did I break it? Oh, nope. Okay. Spring loaded. I don't know, it feels kind of small though. I guess this is how you lock it in. Yep. Oh, shoot. Pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. Alright, it feels pretty light. Pretty light. Legs are pretty stiff, which is good. This little knob here has rubber on it, so you can get a nice grip. Moves around. Yeah, it feels pretty nice. I like the red accents on it. Oh, this is some sort of maybe rubber silicone up here. Yeah, it feels nice. Oh no, that just takes this thing off here. Alright, let's put the phone holder on here. Yeah, overall, it feels pretty nice. This is everything that comes in it. This thing, I don't know, maybe we can figure out something to do with this. But yeah, that is the Joby 1K kit Gorillapod. Bought it from Best Buy for $50. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.